impressive, it's nice to show off. I am here with this beautiful bluish fern, Phlebodium pseudoaureum. It's one of the so-called rabbit's foot ferns, and I'll show one of the little creeping rhizomes here in a moment. This is a beautiful fern for sun that's not too hot all day long to shade, bright shade. This is excellent. It creeps around and makes a ground cover, a large stand. Over time, it'll form a colony. Slowly. It takes some years to form something this large. This is so impressive. It's nice to show off how this can do. I wouldn't usually call it a ground cover, but I'm guessing this has been in a few decades. Really easily grown, not much maintenance. You get some old leaves every few years you have to take out, and they pull out very easily. But it's grown for this beautiful, striking pattern, this ribbed pattern, and this very glaucous bluish green leaf. Hi, thanks for joining me. If you found this video interesting or informative, or you think that other people might, please give me the thumbs up or subscribe on my YouTube channel. That way I'll know, and other people will know, that this is a good thing. There's a lot of treasures to explore out there, and it's fun to share them. Creeping, bluish rabbit's foot fern is something really easy to grow in shade to maybe a little bit of sun. Pretty easy in the shade, not too much water, giving deep watering.